What is good, my people? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Rum. So as you know, gym is life for me, and I'm always on the lookout for that shoe that is just perfect when it comes to comfort, durability, and it's not going to break the bank. With that being said, I have been looking and I've found a shoe that I think is going to be perfect for my next level, what I'm going to be doing in the gym going forward for the next couple of months, couple of years. And it's these are the Nike Downshifter 11s, and we're going to be taking a closer look at these shoes. Check them out. Yes, people, I hope everything is good with you. So in today's video, we're going to be taking a closer look at this shoe. I'm going to be giving you my first impressions from opening the box, the materials, and I'm going to be looking at durability, comfort, sizing, and I'm also going to be checking out the price point as well. But before we get started, if you haven't already, remember to hit the subscribe button below. Let's get straight into the video. So it's about 6 months since I last reviewed the Super Rep Goes, which was my previous shoes that I used in the gym. Those served me brilliantly, but for me, I like to switch it up. Around about 6 months after, I like to keep it fresh, I like to keep it different. So every 6 months, I kind of change my workout, and now I'm going to be doing a lot more treadmills, a lot more cardio. I'm still going to be doing some weight training, but not as much. So this is why I went for the Downshifts, because these are more of a running shoe. And I think that is definitely going to help me with what I'm going to try and do in the gym for the next 6 months to a year. And I think these are perfect. I think the first impressions I get from opening the box is the materials on this shoe are pretty nice. For the price, you do get some really nice materials. So the meshing on the shoe, on the toe box, very nice. The back of the shoe is very nice as well with this nice meshing. The inside is all cushioned, so it feels very soft, very premium. It's just a really nice put together shoe, and for me, I like a shoe to look good as well, and I do think this looks good as well with this swoosh in this nice rubber art. It's just really nice with the blue and the black. It just goes really well together, and I think all in all, this is just a really nice shoe. So the first impressions I got from getting these on feet and doing a little home workout is of how comfortable and light they are on feet. They're extremely comfortable, extremely light. It does feel very snug inside. It feels like you got a lot of ventilation when you're moving around in there, which is what you want. There is a lot of room in the shoe as well, so it depends on what size you go for. I went half a size up in this, but we'll touch on sizing as well. But depends on what size you go for. You can get a lot of room in it. It's a very broad shoe at the front, so it does feel like that. And inside is all cushioned, so it's very comfortable. And as I said before, it's very light as well, so that's definitely a plus for this shoe. So when it comes to sizing, it depends on how you like your shoe in the gym. I like mine with a little bit more room for ventilation, as I mentioned before. So I always go half a size up when it comes to Nike trainers or Nike gym wear. I always go half a size up for shoes. It depends on what you like. A lot of people do like to go true to size because it feels a bit more snug and it feels a little bit more thick inside, but I like mine going half a size up. And for these, I've gone half a size up and it feels very nice, feels very perfect. So it definitely works for me for what I'm trying to do in the gym with the running and a little bit more cardio, a little bit of gym work, a little bit of weight training. This is definitely the perfect shoe for me. So when it comes to these shoe, prices on these are pretty decent in the UK. So these retail for £55 in the UK, which is an absolute bargain for what you get. These shoes are pretty decent. The materials are really nice. The meshing, the cushioning inside is a very comfortable, very light shoe, and it does feel and look very premium. So that £55 price point is very good. But I actually got mine for £40 because I am a Nike member. So if you're not a Nike member, sign up to be a Nike member, and these are in the Nike sale, so you can get these at a decent price as well. So final thoughts on this shoe is solid materials. Colorway is really nice. You can get these in a couple of different colorways as well. And I do like that you can get these for a really good price as well. So this is a no-brainer. So if you're going to work out, these are perfect for working out. Feels very good on the feet, very comfortable, feels very light, give you that bounce when you want to run. It's just perfect for what you want to do in the gym. So definitely want to go out and buy it if you're going to be working out, doing a little bit more running in the gym. These are the perfect workout shoe, definitely the good running shoe as well. And I'll be checking back in 6 months and letting you know what it's like in the gym on the treadmill. But from first impressions, they do feel very good as well. Yes, my people, that is it for the video today. I hope you enjoyed it and found the information useful. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button below and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Peace.